step out and get the paper. Sun's shining this morning. Probably need to blow the driveway. Looks like it never ends. One thing after another. Ah, there it is. There's the paper. I always like it when I round the corner there. And I can actually see the paper. I always check the mailbox. I mean, we got the mail, so there's no mail in it, but I always check it. And then I just spin around and get the paper. I wouldn't be getting the newspaper without the unicycle. I'm too lazy to walk out to the mailbox every day, up and down this hill, just to get the paper. I'd probably just read it online. But I do like the physical newspaper. I guess I'm just old school like that. But I think I am. She said something about stopping it after JB gets here. That's the unicycle letting me know it's getting a little low. Going up that hill, it pulls puts quite a load on it, and so the voltage drops. So it's time to plug her into the charger. And speaking of chargers, I think I heard a chirp. I believe that would be the smoke detector in the garage. Now we've got two smoke detectors. We've got the whatchamacallit, the square one is the Google Home. That chirp you just heard is the one on the other wall. That's an old battery powered one that we've had in here prior to the Google Home. So it's probably ready for its, this garage is a little cooler this morning. Yeah, that's the one that's chirping. So I'll get to replace the battery in that too.
There's a hornet in the food over there. It's 53 this morning. We need to have a 1 night or 2 night cold snap and get rid of those puppies for the year. Everybody's out here doing good today. Donnie's just about got bacon and eggs done. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi. Him and Morris were in the wicker chair in the cat hotel all snuggled up when I went to bed last night. I had to kick Marty out of the house. Kick is a strong word. He'd been inside for 4 or 5 hours, and he's not going to let us sleep in the morning or wait to go outside to use the bathroom that long. So I gently encouraged him out the back door. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Wow. Hi. There you go. I got chicken cooking. I'm bringing out some chicken for dinner, okay? We'll swap up today. Good morning. I don't even know why I bothered to give this to you, because I guess I feel like I should feed you no matter what, but there's a chicken already in the Instant Pot. I'll bring you some in a little while. She really probably won't even touch that. Spoiled baby. Just like you should be. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Man. I got the fountains filled and the water bowls refreshed, and it's 56 and breezy out here. And cloudy. It's only supposed to be 61 today. I was thinking I would take a minute to at least blow this top part of the driveway here. Always something. Well, you can tell it's one of the first cool days because the fire alarm in the garage is chirping on low battery. I'll add that to Dawn's to-do list today. I made it down to the cul-de-sac and got half the cul-de-sac done, all the driveway and stuff, so it was a good bit of morning exercise. You know, it's only just a little after 10. Hi guys, I need to go wash my hands. I may have pulled a piece of stilt grass near some poison ivy. Long sleeves are warranted today.
That's right.
We're gonna go walk during community day, which starts at 2. It's going on noon, so we got a couple hours. I'm heading up in the attic to straighten before I get ready for put away Halloween, get out Christmas, Thanksgiving. Sure. And Don's working on making sure him and JB can be productive.
Right, I'm ordering parts for the walk behind string trimmer.
I bought 6 of these storage bins at Walmart last night, and I have got to get my Lego stuff up here under control. Well, the attic stairs are safe to walk again, at least past the first couple steps. I've been up here a little over an hour. I gotta get midnight. Big boy out of here. My Legos are sorted better.
Around.
All right, we're
doing a double tap. A double tap. Maybe I have to put my foot on the brake.
I think your foot has to be in park and then double tap.
Okay.
Choose direction.
I'm gonna say backwards. The car will start moving after you exit and close the doors. Okay. So you could stay in the car, but I'm gonna exit the car.
Okay.
I don't have my phone, or so there's no hope for me.
You want your phone? Here's your phone. It's because I'm playing Pokemon.
I'm closing the door.
Alright. It does say to stop the car, pull any door handle. It looks like it canceled.
I'll straighten it up and
we'll both get out.
Yeah, something like that. I was hoping that it would figure out where the lines were. That's why I kind of stopped it this way.
Right. Well, the video from Dirty Tesla showed it just pulling straight forward versus backward, but...
Alright. Let me look in the back camera. Alright, so we're perfectly aligned and there's a stop. Now I realize, but I also know that these sleeping policemen here, these barriers won't hurt the car. It'll run up against them, it should stop. So
right. Also, it says pull any door handle to stop the car if you don't like what it's doing, right, which is true anytime it's doing summon.
Alright, so here we go.
Don told it to go backward. Looks like it's working to me. I would call that a fail. And I had to pull the handle to stop it. It was just in reverse but not moving.
Yeah, well, it only puts so much torque, so it wasn't going to crawl over that policeman, which is why I did it kind of offset so I knew it would hit it.
Right.
It hit it on this side, not your side.
Right. Well, why did it do that?
I think it was going to back all the way to that.
Like it saw all the
field, and when it got to the trees.
Well, maybe the lines behind it, it doesn't see the cement thing and it just saw the additional lines. I think that's why it failed.
Well,
I think it would have stopped there where there weren't any more lines.
Right. Well, other thing I would say is it's possible, like if we backed it in front of that car, it would see the car, because Dirty Tesla had a building in front of it.
Right.
And it got within so distance of the building and stopped. But it obviously does not recognize these traffic bumpers.
Right. It just sees the lines, I think, and thinks it wasn't back all the way.
Well, I don't even think it did anything with the lines. Because normally when it auto parks, it really puts 50-50. It splits the parking place really nice. And now that it uses the lines, but it's way close on this side and way far on the other side.
I guess it's too far to walk from the bench to the trash can. There's a birthday party going on and they've got the kids carrying something on a spoon, probably not a real egg. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. It looks like fun. They're having fun. Glad they were able to get in there. And it's nice out here. When the sun's out, it's hot, and when the sun's in and the breeze picks up, it's chilly. Not cold, but chilly. And Right Meow has added a lot more inflatables, and they're having special daytime scary but not super scary through the garage, and nighttime, a special nighttime thing, kind of scary, through the garage back behind there. And you know, it's just more fundraiser. They're up close to 30 adoptions now for Facilitate Rescue, which I think is amazingly awesome. The shiny rate today for timber is really, really low. And just in case I didn't show you that there was another Y here with Jules, there's another Y here with Jules. Yum.
That's right.
Well, that piece of meat we had was awesome, and I'm finishing up my day by doing the first pass rough sort on this bin of Legos that's been sitting in the corner for a while. These are all clean, all new, all very gently played condition, and it behooves me to get this stuff sorted out because I've got so many things I want to build that I need parts for, and if I can't find them, then I have to order them, so I need to be able to find them. And usually this, even just the one level sort is enough. I can get what I need when I need it. It's either by color or part type. So anyway, I'm just kind of relaxing out here doing my sorting thing.